SA3000P operation video. Preparation, room condition, installing environment. As for the installation location, a quiet and independent space is recommended for the patient's stability. The room temperature should be around 22-27 degrees Celsius, 71-81 degrees Fahrenheit. Preparation, stabilizing the patient. Please rest for at least 15 minutes before the measurement. Avoid smoking, drinking alcohol, or taking drugs or beverages that can stimulate the autonomic nervous system. Do not wear accessories, rings, watches, necklaces, that may interfere with measurement. After stabilizing in the room for 15 minutes, take the measurement while your mind and body are rested. Measurements are taken with eyes open, while sitting or lying down in a stable state. Do not move or talk, and please breathe normally during the measurement. Components. The components are as follows. Assembly, check assembly status. Verify that the power and sensor cables of the SA3000P are correctly connected. How to turn on and off the device. When turning on the device, press the green button on the right side of the body. When turning off the device, press the shutdown button at the bottom right of the initial screen. Registering the patient, setup, reference setup. On the initial screen, click the settings icon in the upper right corner. This is the setup screen. If the patient is Asian, select the East button in the reference type. If the patient is Western, select the West button. Enter the hospital information in information column. File name settings sets the image file name creation rules when saving an image file. Click OK to apply and return to the main screen. Measurement process. Press the HRV plus APG button on the initial screen. Setup. This is the HRV setup screen. Select measurement time from 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Set the guidance sound volume. If you select General and Result, you can only check the APG results, and if you select 1 minute, you can check the HRV plus APG results. Print option can be selected and can also set up to be saved as an image. If you set up email, images can be sent by email. Set the path where the image is saved. Registration, patient input, gender, and date of birth. When you press the patient button, the patient registration screen appears. Enter chart ID, name, date of birth, and gender as it is required items. When you enter your date of birth, the age will be automatically entered. Date of birth and gender must be entered accurately as they affect the results. Press OK to move on to the measurement screen. Measurement method, measurement. This is the HRV plus APG measurement method. Place your left index finger on the sensor and maintain a comfortable posture. Press the preview button at the bottom right, and when the start button is activated, press the start button to start the measurement. Checking the result, report, history. This is HRV report. Check the measurement results. You can print by pressing the print button. When you press the delete button, the corresponding measurement data will be deleted. Caution, not only the report will be deleted, but all measurement data will be deleted. This is the DDR report. Check the measurement results. This is APG report. Check the measurement results. This is HRV history. You can check HRV records measured in the past. This is DDR history. You can check DDR records measured in the past. This is APG history. You can check APG records measured in the past. RSA training. Select the training button on the initial screen to start RSA training. RSA training, setup. It is possible to set the function on setup as seen below. Select the training mode, biofeedback, free, at your option. Also can select the training time for 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. When you move the sound bar to the end of left, the sound will be muted. At the biofeedback mode, the user can set the targeted breathing difficulties. The user can set up the targeted breathing number and RSA image at the free mode. When you click OK button, all setting will be saved, and if you cancel it, it will be returned to the previous setup mode. Patient registration and retrieval. It is the same as patient registration and retrieval in HRV plus APG measurement. Starting the RSA training, biofeedback mode. After pressing the preview button of the trial test, wait until the start button is activated, then press the start button to calculate your target breathing rate by measuring for 2 minutes. After pressing the preview button, wait until the start button is activated, then press the start button to start training. Starting the RSA training, free mode. In the case of free mode, press the preview button, and when the start button is activated, press the start button to start training. Checking RSA training result. This is the RSA training HRV report screen. This is the RSA training RSA report screen. You can print by pressing the print button. Clicking the delete button will delete the training data. Caution, not only the report will be deleted, but all measurement data will be deleted.